Unboxing American Heritage Pressure Cooker.
I'm going to unbox this heavy gauge stainless pressure cooker. American Heritage. So, maganda ito, no? So, we're going to open this. This is it. American Heritage Pressure Cooker. Applicable for electric, induction, ceramic, heavy duty gauge, halogen gas.
Pressure cookers speed up cooking time than conventional cooking methods. Suitable for your busy lifestyle as it saves your time and energy in preparing the best dishes for you and your family. Take on the right flavorful meals. This pressure cooker has a stainless steel-based cooking surface that heats up quickly and evenly. Suitable for ceramic, electric, and gas stoves.
For the structure and components of this pressure cooker. So we have here, dito yan, dito naman meron siyang rubber. Tapos ito, yan, dito siya ito.
Get a better grip on its handle that has a safety lock to make sure that the pressure is locked inside the cooker and prevents the cover from being opened until pressure is safely reduced.
So, this is 6 American Heritage stainless steel pressure cooker. This is used for cooking, especially hard meat or any foods that is hard, that intended for if you want to make it soft and tender, then you will just cook here in the pressure cooker in just a minute. In just a few minutes, it will cook here.
With its silicone gasket and safety valve, you can ensure maximum heat tolerance and protection. This includes steam plate to elevate certain foods like vegetables and more. Do not fill the pressure cooker over at least 2/3 full for solid foods like meat. For soup, beans, peas and grains, which tends to expand, fill in the pressure cooker not more than a half full. For other food types, you may follow the instructions as indicated in the manual inside. Product features: saves energy and time for cooking and retains nutrients. Silicone gasket for maximum heat tolerance. Safety valve for protection handle with safety lock. Better grip handle design. Polished stainless steel body. with steam plate. Thanks for watching.